how to contact Amazon Prime Video, Kindle Unlimited, or Amazon Music. In this video, I will show you exactly how to contact Amazon, how to contact Prime Video support, how to contact Kindle Unlimited customer service, and how to contact Amazon Music support using the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. If you need help right now, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. That link takes you directly to the official Amazon customer support page. Let's start with how to contact Amazon. First, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. This ensures you are on the official support page. Second, sign in to your Amazon account. After signing in, select the issue related to your order, account, payment, or service. Amazon will provide support options such as live chat, phone call, or email, depending on your region and issue. Now let's talk about how to contact Prime Video support. If your issue is related to streaming, billing, or playback errors, go to the Prime Video section inside the official support page. Select Prime Video as your service and describe your problem. Amazon usually offers live chat and phone support for Prime Video users. Always access Prime Video support through the official and real link in the description and pinned comment to avoid fake numbers. Next, how to contact Kindle Unlimited support. If you have problems with subscriptions, book downloads, billing, or cancellation, go to the Kindle or Kindle Unlimited section on the support page. Choose your specific issue and follow the steps to start chat or request a call. Now, how to contact Amazon Music support. For issues related to streaming, subscription plans, payment, or playback, select Amazon Music on the support page. You will then see available contact options such as chat or phone support. Remember, the safest way to contact Amazon, Prime Video, Kindle Unlimited, or Amazon Music is through the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. Never trust random phone numbers from unofficial websites. Here is a quick summary of how to contact Amazon services. Click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. Sign in to your Amazon account. Choose the service: Amazon, Prime Video, Kindle Unlimited, or Amazon Music. Select your issue. Choose chat, phone, or email support. Support availability may vary depending on your location and time of day. If you need immediate assistance, open the description and click the official and real link in the pinned comment now. That is the fastest and safest way to contact Amazon, Prime Video, Kindle Unlimited, and Amazon Music support directly from the official website.